Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris, and today we're going to talk about Zenu. It's a good program to find 404 error pages on your website. So if you are watching this video from 8downloads.com, just look at the product description on the videos tab and you will see where to download this one. So right now I have already installed Zenu, and this time what I'm going to do is check my URL, or let's just say 8downloads.com's URL. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and type in www.8downloads.com. So what will happen now is I'll press OK. Now this time it's still checking for any 404 errors. There you go. It's scrutinizing every links, even the whole directory. So the good thing about this software is that you will see every status of the page. For example, the main page, the status is okay, gives you a type of description as well, and sometimes if the status is not accessible, then it will enter 404. Okay, so it seems that there is no 404 error on the site because I haven't seen any 404 messages here. So there. And the good thing about Zeno is you can download it and it's free. And not only that, you are able to save the progress of your result as a text file or even as a tab file. So still searching, and we haven't find any 404 errors yet. Okay, so there you go. Page 7 not found. So therefore we have only one page that is not found, but the status is not 404 error. So basically this is a good thing, since you can avoid 404 error messages on your site by scanning with Zing. So this is Chris again, and saying thanks for viewing this video and have a great day to all.